Now we are moving to a very fun part of setting up Notion's databases. We are going to connect our tasks and projects. We are going to link those databases. So to create a connected workspace, it is really great that you can connect the databases and then you can do a lot more than just having a standalone database that is not connected to anything in your workspace. So how do we actually connect databases? We will use a new property, and the type of that property is a relation property. But before we actually go ahead and do that, I will just expand the view of this page to full width so it's easier to work with. So you can add that relation. It doesn't matter whether we start adding it in tasks database or we could start in projects database, because automatically another property will be created in the second database. So let us start here in our tasks database. So to connect tasks to projects, we will be adding a new property. Click on the plus to add a new property. What we are looking for here is this one, the relation property. So click on relation. Next, what we have to do is we have to select the second database that we are connecting our tasks to. So we are currently in tasks and we want to connect tasks to projects. So click on projects, and also I would turn on this two-way relation so that everything that is happening on one side is also visible on the other side. So just click on that one. And as you can see, our projects relation is created here. And I didn't click properly on that two-way relation, so I can enable it again here. So like this, and now our tasks relation is also created in projects. I will start again. I will delete this now just to show you again. So I will delete this property and I will start again. So click on adding a new property, go to relation, select projects, turn on two-way relation, add relation, and that's it. So it's not that complicated. Now we have created that initial connection between our tasks and projects. All you have to do now is when you're adding a task, you have to select which project does this task actually belong to. So create new database. This is creating a projects and task management system. This one, same project. This one also. So all of these tasks now actually are linked to our first project that we have here. And as soon as I've added that link here in tasks, you can also see that link here in our projects database. So those tasks are listed here under this project. So now this is the initial connection between two databases. But to take our experience a little bit further here and to improve it, we can go to another level of this connection, and that would be a rollup. So relation, this is the initial connection. A rollup, this is something that builds on top of relation. I will just show you what it does because I think it will be clear as soon as you see it. So in our projects database, we will be adding a new rollup property. So go to your projects database, click on the plus to add a new property, and click on rollup. Okay, so now we have added a new rollup property in our projects database. Now we have to set it up. Click on it, click on edit property. Then first we need to select the relation because your databases could be connected to multiple other databases. So we have to tell the system which relation are we actually looking into now. So click on this one, click on tasks. Next, click on target property and click on status and click on calculate and click here on percent per group, complete. And now you can also select this rank display here, and this is what it looks like here. Now, what is this actually? So with the help of this property, we are actually looking into connected tasks to this project, and we are looking into their status. So the question is, how many tasks are completed in this project? Currently 0%. But if we say that this is done, then it's 33%. So basically, what this gives you is the automatic percentage of completion for the tasks that are linked to this project. So we will rename this one now to completion. Okay. So this is the rollup. It can be used for any other data to be pulled from the other database as well. So in the settings, we have connected, we said that we are looking into tasks database, we are looking into the status of those tasks, and we want to know how many tasks are actually completed, right? So this is how we have set it up. But you need to play around with it because you can do a lot more with rollups. You could count the total number of tasks. So we can do that next. So here, we are adding another roll up and we will call it total number of tasks, just so if you need this information. So again, edit property relation tasks, target property. It can be any because we just need to count them, and then calculate count all. So here we have that information. So this is how you can use rollups. You can use it on dates as well to get the earliest date, the latest date, and so on. So this is it for relations and rollups for now. You've got the basics, and now it's time for you to explore it further.